Hey everybody, welcome back to Chef Dawg. Chef Dawg is gone tonight and I need to feed my family. So we are going to make this. It is from Costco, enchiladas with rotisserie chicken and salsa. Pretty easy. All you need to do is heat your oven to 400. It says it cooks for 40 to 50 minutes. So let's open this bad boy, if I can. Remove the salsa container. And it says to cover with foil and put on a baking sheet. There you have it, easy breezy. So we'll put this in the oven. So we had this in for about 50 minutes. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. So smells good. You got your rotisserie chicken in there. It looks like there's some green chilies in there. Lots of chicken actually. This is actually really good. You can taste the green chilies, so that gives it a little kick. Lots of chicken. You want to give it a try? No beans. It looks like just chicken, green chilies, olives. So my daughter just took a bite, and let's see what her reaction was.
I think I will eat it again.
Really? You liked it?
Yeah.
Wasn't it too spicy for you?
Just a little.
Just a little?
Yeah.
She likes it. Hey.
The first time.
First time. What would you rate that as?
I will give it like a 10.
You're gonna give it a 10. I would probably seriously give it like an 8. Like I actually liked it. Can you believe it? So now, Chef Dawg is home. So we're gonna invite Chef Dawg in. Let's see what he thinks.
Actually, Chef Dawg.
Hey everybody! We got Chef Mom and cooking a meal. And if she liked it, that means I'm probably gonna score this like a 10. Because we love our Mexican food around here, right? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
There is salsa.
Yep.
It comes with salsa.
Yep. Me like it.
Right here that you can pour on it if you want a little more kick, I'm sure.
That's good, huh? It looks to me like there's four of the burritos.
Okay.
Now you love chicken burritos, so
Yeah, chicken
that's what I was hoping that you'd love it.
So what would you rate it?
I'm gonna score that again. That is actually quite a bit better than I actually thought it would be. I mean, that's restaurant style, huh? I'm gonna say that's restaurant style enchiladas.
Like this?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, I'm gonna give that like an 8.7. That's in the aftertaste, as a good aftertaste
good,
too.
yeah.
But again, Costco, we know Costco and their rotisserie chickens. I'll leave now.
Another successful meal here at the Chef Dawg home. Thank you so much for watching, and please consider subscribing and sharing if you'd like. We'll see you here next time at Chef Dawg. Bye.